Hello everyone, this is Teacher Dorothy and welcome to our Nature Around Us activity book. So for this morning, we will talk about how do animals move. Okay, kindly open your book on page 10. So let's tackle first the first animal. So the first animal there is fish. Very good. So how do fish move? Fish swim with fins. Again, fins. Okay, with the help of their fins and tails, the fish can able to swim in the water. Without the fins, the fish cannot swim well. Okay? So let's spell the word fins. F-I-N-S. Fins. Very good. Next animal we have cat. Again, cat. So how do cats move? Okay, cats walk on four legs. Okay, with the help of the legs of an cat, they can able to move, or they can walk, they can run, they can jump, right? Next animal we have bird. Again, bird. Birds fly with wings. Okay? Again, birds fly with wings. Okay? With the help of the wings of a bird, they can able to fly high in the sky. Right? Okay, let's spell the word wings. W-I-N-G-S. Wings. Next animal, we have, what we call this one? Yes, this is called snake. Again, snake. Okay, snakes use muscles to move. Okay, the snake use their muscles or body to move in the soil. Okay, let's spell the word muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. Very good. Okay, that is how you're going to answer on page 10. You just trace the dotted lines, okay, of how do animals move. Before we proceed to our next topic, let's watch this video.
Amazing mammals and reptiles. Let's learn about mammals and reptiles. What's the difference between this cat and this tortoise? What's the difference between this polar bear and this snake? Cats and polar bears are mammals. Mammals have got warm blood, and they've got fur or hair. Turtles and snakes are reptiles. They've got cold blood, dry skin, and scales. Some reptiles, like turtles, have got a shell. Baby mammals drink their mother's milk. Reptiles lay eggs. This mammal is a monkey. It's got grey, orange and brown fur, ears and a long tail. It lives in the rainforest. This reptile is a chameleon. It's got scales and a long tail. It lives in the rainforest too. What other amazing mammals and reptiles do you know?
Okay, kids. Now let's proceed with animal breeding. So kindly open your book on page 11. So what are we going to do here is I want you to prepare colors. Color blue and color pink. So as you can see, there are animals in our activity. So we're going to identify the animals that have babies and animals that lay eggs. So what are the animals that has a baby and the animals that lay eggs? So example in our book, okay, elephant. Elephant. What do you think the elephant? They have babies or eggs? Yes, they have babies. So we're going to color blue. Okay? We're going to color the circle blue if the animals have babies. But if the animal lay eggs, we were going to color pink. Example, the chicken or the hen. Okay? This animal have babies or lay eggs. Okay, chicken or hen lay eggs. So we're going to color pink. Color the circle pink. Again, if the animal have babies, it's color blue. But if the animal have lay eggs, you color the circle color pink. Another example, we have panda. Again, panda. So, what do you think is the panda? Animals that have babies or animals that lay eggs? Yes, it's animal that have babies. So, what color we're going to color the circle? So, we're going to use the color blue. Another example. The turtle. Look at the picture of a turtle. So how does the animal breed? Okay, is this animal that have baby or animal that lay eggs? Okay, the animal with eggs. So we're going to use the color pink. So that's all for this activity. For the remaining animals, I want you to answer on your own. Look at the animals in your book very well, and then you color the circle color blue if the animal that has a baby. But if the animal lay eggs, kindly color pink. Use color pink. Okay, do you understand? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something with Teacher Dorothy. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.